Hello everyone, my name is Prezida Friansha. This time I will present material of adverbs of frequency. Definition of adverbs of frequency. What is an adverb of frequency? An adverb of frequency is a word used to indicate how often an activity or event occurs. This adverb answers the question how often. In addition, this adverb is often used in sentence to provide further information about the frequency of an action. Types of adverb of frequency. Definite adverb of frequency. Frequency refers to a specific pattern in which an event occurs regularly and can be measured precisely in a specific number. Indefinite adverbs of frequency. Indefinite adverb of frequency give a general idea of how often an action occurs without specifying a specific time. Definite adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs commonly used with this adverb include 1. Every. Definite frequency uses the word every to indicate a regular pattern and that occurs at fixed intervals. Examples include every day, every week, every month, and every year. The word every must be followed by a specific unit of time to indicate an event that occurs periodically and regularly. Number 2. Frequency of number. Next, you can use adverbs of frequency such as once, twice, 3 times, and so on. This word provides specific information about how many times an event occurs in a certain period of time. For example, once a week means that the event occurs once a week. Number 3. Specific time frequency. To explain more specific frequency on a regular basis, there are adverbs of frequency such as hourly for even hour, every hour, daily for every day, weekly for every week, monthly for every month, and yearly or annually for every year that you can use. For example, hourly describes an event that occurs every hour, while monthly indicates an event that occurs every month. Indefinite of adverbs of frequency. Generally, this type of frequency description can be estimated through percentage divided into 5 categories, namely 1. 100%. Adverbs in this category indicate an activity that is performed every time without exception. The time expression include always, every time, and constantly. 16% to 70%. If there is an action or activity that occurs most of the time but not always use the adverb actually, often, normally, frequently, and regularly. Number 3, 50%. Well, to describe activities that only occur about 50% of the time. Example of adverbs that can be used include sometimes, occasionally, seldom, and infrequently. 10% to 20%. Next, there are adverbs that can help you convey activity that happen very often or even almost never. Example of these adverbs are rarely and hardly ever. Number 5, 0%. Adverbs in this category indicate events that never happen at all. Example include never and not once. Formula for adverbs of frequency. 1. Adverbs of frequency for verbal sentence. In sentence with a verb, the adverb of frequency is placed before the main verb. Formula: subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb. Example: she always eats breakfast at 7 a.m. They often go to the park on weekends. Number 2. Adverb of frequency in nominal sentence. A nominal sentence is a sentence that used to be for or am, is, are, we, are, was, were. In this pattern, the adverb of frequency is placed after to be to indicate the frequency of the subject's condition or state. Formula: subject plus to be plus adverb of frequency. Example: he is always on time. They are usually happy to help. Number 3. Adverb of frequency for emphasis. For emphasis, adverb of frequency can be placed at the beginning of a sentence before the subject to highlight how often someone performs an action. Formula: adverb of frequency plus subject plus verb plus predicate, or subject plus verb plus predicate plus adverb of frequency. Example sentence: always Alpi comes late to the office. Rara met her boyfriend once. 4. Adverb of frequency in interrogative sentence. To form interrogative sentence, we usually use how often, followed by auxiliary verb do, does, did, the subject, and the main verb. Example sentence: how often do you visit your grandparents? You can also use similar direct question. The formula is auxiliary verb plus subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb plus predicate plus x. Example sentence: do you often come here? 5. Adverbs of frequency with modal verbs and auxiliary verbs. When using modal verbs, can, could, will, would, should, must, or auxiliary verbs have, has, am, is, are, was, were. Adverbs of frequency are placed after the modal or auxiliary verb and before the main verb to indicate the frequency of the action. Formula: subject plus modal verb plus adverb of frequency plus main verb. Example sentence: he can always find a solution to the problem. They have never been to Paris. As with modal verbs, when using auxiliary verbs, adverb of frequency are placed between the auxiliary verb and the main verb to indicate how often the action is performed. Formula: subject plus auxiliary verb plus adverb of frequency main verb plus main verb. Example sentence: I have never visited Dubai. She has always enjoyed reading books. Example of adverb of frequency. Based on the previous explanation, we can summarize that example of adverb of frequency include the following of words. Definite adverb of frequency: daily, weekly, monthly, annually, hourly, once a week, twice a month, 3 times a year, and every day, every other day. Indefinite adverb of frequency: always, usually, frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, hardly, never, and never. Example sentence with adverbs of frequency. Definite adverb of frequency: I visit my grandparents weekly. She checks her email daily. They meet for lunch once a week. We go on vacation annually. The bus arrives every hour. Indefinite adverb of frequency: she always arrives on time. We usually have dinner at 7 p.m. They frequently travel abroad. He often goes to the gym. I sometimes read before bed. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.